let's talk permission set groups. When talking about permission set groups, the best place for these is when you're looking to assign permissions or settings where profiles are just too broad, touching too many individuals, and you're having too many permission sets that need to be assigned to the same users, whether it is AEs or SDRs or certain users or subset of users within those. This is where permission set groups are wonderful, where you can bundle those permission sets and assign them to users. So let's go ahead and jump into it here. So if I come in here to set up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go straight to the permission set groups, right? And from here, I can go ahead and assign different permission sets into a group. So I'm gonna open up a group here. In this case, I can call this, for example, let's say that you have new employees that have certain permissions, such as maybe an MFA, certain transfer permissions, and it's something that all users need that isn't statically built into profiles. So I'll call this one actually new SDR users, right? And so I'll hit save here, and from here I can go ahead and assign different permission sets. So I can hit permission sets in group, and from here I can go ahead and add permission sets. So for example, I can put in a convert leads, I can put in a Einstein activity capture standard user, a transfer leads, really any number of permission sets that I know this user is going to need that, again, I haven't built in statically into the profile. So just like that, you get that happy medium. You're able to assign a set of settings that need to go to a user, but not on the profile level, but on the permission set level, and make sure that you're not losing any permission sets. I know that this can grow quite a bit, and so it might be tough if you have a new admin that comes in for them to understand, okay, what are all the permission sets that need to go to this user? Let me go ahead and set up a permission set group that's much more prescriptive in who it needs to go to. So just like that, we have the permission set groups. Let me know if you have any questions, if you need any help anywhere else on these tutorials, and leave a comment and I'll go ahead and make that tutorial. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.